Hi guys, welcome to CC blog. CC blog. Today I'm going to show you how to do a recipe of green seasoning. So I'm just going to talk through some of the ingredients that I've got here that I'm going to be using. So I've got some parsley, a nice bunch of parsley here. I've got some thyme here. Thyme. I've got a piece of ginger here. And I've got garlic. And I'm going to be using all this garlic because I love garlic. It gives it a really beautiful, nice flavour to your season. I've got a red pepper and I've got a yellow pepper here. And I'm going to be using these two, both of them. I've got one large, just ordinary onion, and I've got one red onion. If you desire, you can add more. I've got two Scotch bonnet here. I've got a yellow and I've got a red one. And I've got some pimento. This is pimento seed here. And I've got a nice big bunch of green onions here. So guys, I'm going to be washing all this now. So now you see all the beautiful green seasoning, all natural, and this really adds some flavor to your food. So whenever you cook it, you add some to it. When you're seasoning up your meat, your fish, it does really gives it a really nice flavor. So guys, I've started peeling my garlic. I'm just going to make this quick, like, just give them a little quick press. Using a big knife here and just give it a press. Just make it easier to peel. So hold it, press. Can you see? Press. Hold it down, and this just makes it easy to come off. So guys, got all my garlic here. It takes a little time to do it, so let's just speed it up a bit. With my ginger, I'm just gonna take off the really dark piece. It's quite clean. You can give it a little scrape. Just scrape the ginger off the skin, just a little bit, and it's fine. Now I'm just gonna chop this in like pieces so it's easy to, when you blending it down, it'll be easy to do. So just gonna stick that in. I've got a bit more here. That's my ginger. So I've got my thyme, my ginger and my garlic here. Now my onions, I'm just going to be chopping this down. So it's just gonna, don't have to do it finely because everything's just going to be, I'm going to pulse it all down. Pulse it because I don't want it to be like mince, but just a nice consistency. You will see as we go along. So I'm just going to just give my onion a quick dice. So now guys, you see I've got my scallions, they're all being washed. So I'm just gonna show you, I'm just gonna remove the stalk from at the root piece at the bottom here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stalks here of spring onion, and I'm just gonna, here, this is fine, I'm just gonna get rid of the pieces at the top, which is no good. I'm just gonna do that to all of them. I'm telling you guys, this is going to be so flavoursome. It's going to be so full of flavour, It's just going to add so much flavour to your dishes, especially when you're seasoning up your meat. So now it's all ready. Just here. Sometimes just get rid of this odd pieces when you just, that is fine. That one is fine. I'm just going to give it another quick wash. Now I'm just going to give this a quick chop here now. They have to be fine. It's all going to go into the blender. The freshness of spring onion is absolutely amazing. And guys, you can, if you want to do a large batch, then you just add more ingredients to it. You just double your sizes. So all these have been chopped. Just going to put it into my bowl. Now I've got my parsley. I'm just going to get rid of some of this. Just going to get rid of some of the ends bit. I don't really want all those. I just mainly want the leafy part. And I'm just going to just grab them and just give them a cut. Now I've got my pepper. I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm just going to give it a chop like this. And that one. I want it hot, but not too hot. Now I've got my peppers. I'm just going to dice this in half. I'm just going to do the other one here. And then just remove the seed in the middle and that green piece here, and just give it a quick chop. Okay, coming to my last. So that's all my peppers. I didn't add no green one because I've got lots of green onions and parsley, so I decided not to add, but you can if you desire. So I'm just going to add just maybe a handful of pimento seed, just this amount, into goes that. So guys, I'm all ready. I've got my blender here. It's a big one. It's a big one. It is a big one. So guys, now I've got my blender ready. I'm going to put my garlic, my ginger and my thyme and my pimento seed into the blender. So now I've got everything. These ones that takes a bit longer to break down. So I'm just gonna, I'm going to mix. Now so I'm gonna do chop. Now I'm going to pause. I'm just gonna add okay, so I'm just gonna put this, just give it, guys, this looks so good already. It looks so good already. I'm just going to start putting all my bits in, my parsley, my peppers. I'm just going to start I'm still blending, chipping, I'm just blending. So guys, I am still mixing this. Just use it, just push it down to the bottom. It's happening, it's happening. So guys, this is all done now. This is all done. Let's put this away. This is all done here. So guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at this seasoning. It's absolutely perfect. Just perfect. The smell, it's so amazing. It is so amazing. So amazing. So guys, I'm just going to just squeeze the one lemon. Let's give it a squeeze, 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 squeeze. Squeeze. If you've got lemon juice, that's fine. You can just add that to it. I've got it. Now I'm just going to add this to my mix. Just one lemon. One lemon is fine. So I'm just going to give it a mix. Guys, this looks so good. I'm telling you, it looks so good. It smells so good. It looks very green because there's a lot of green onions and parsley, and that makes it green. But the smell is so amazing. It's so amazing. And I've got some jars here. I always save a few jars, so I've got a couple of jars. So I'm just gonna fill these up now. So just take a spoon and just fill the jar. And guys, you don't have to leave all of it out. You can just can keep one in your refrigerator, and then you can freeze. You can freeze it as well. You can freeze it so that you always got green seasoning on hand. You don't always have to keep blending. But if you like the fresh one all the time, but this is safe. This is fine because once it's in the freezer, it keeps it very fresh. Just filling up my. So just filling the last bit in here, as I've got two big jars of green seasoning. This smells so good. All that garlic, the green onions, the pimento, all that natural stuff. I don't want to waste anything because it smells so good. This smells so good. But guys, so I've got two jars here. So I've got two of my green jars here. It looks so amazing. Give this recipe a go, and please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share and like, and drop a comment if you like this. Try it out and to let me know how it goes. Yeah, as I said from the beginning, this green seasoning is so good. You can use it for seasoning up your meat, your fish, anything when you're cooking. You just add some of your green seasoning to your food. It's so good. It's so amazing. Yeah, but thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you very much, and God bless.